हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स। आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। Today's video our topic is going to be a postpartum HIIT workout. So HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. It's basically a type of workout where you do a short period of an intense exercise followed by a very quick rest period and then you immediately go back to exercise. So it could be the same exercise done multiple times or a variety of exercises. So you repeat this cycle multiple times. It could starting from 4 minutes or up to 15 minutes. These type of workouts help in burning calories much faster as well as you have a lot of fat loss. So in this video we'll be doing exercises which are safe even if you have diastasis recti. But if you have diastasis recti, the exercises that you do them without weights. If you are just postpartum without diastasis recti, you can use dumbbells and weights. When to start these exercises? Anywhere after 3 months postpartum. But whenever you're starting, please start with deep breathing exercises. Make sure you're comfortable with those. Then do all the DR related exercises or core strengthening exercises. All these exercises are available on our channel. We'll put them down in the description box. Once you are comfortable and think that you have built up the stamina, only then start with these HIIT exercises. In this video, we'll be concentrating more on strengthening of legs and glutes. All of these exercises have to be done for 40 seconds. So imagine if we start with the squat, we do the squats for 40 seconds followed by a 10-second break, and then right after those 10 seconds you go again to the 40-second exercise next. No other break will be allowed. After the leg workout is done, you get to take a 1-minute water break where you can sit and relax, and then we move to the workout for the glutes. Before you start any of these exercises, please consult your gynecologist, your general physician or a physio near you. If you've undergone a C-section delivery, make sure that you're careful while doing these exercises. If it is causing any discomfort around your incision or pain, stop right there and consult your doctor. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid, any heart issues, please do not start these exercises without consulting your physiotherapist or doctor. like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. If there are other topics you want us to cover, leave that down in the comment section and witness your fitness with us.